Yeah, no, I did.
Okay, but you're ready for that, right?
Yeah.
All right, keep going.
Right? No, laying out of the hand.
Right, so they go like this, the bishop, and he prays over you. Keep going.
What is this?
Right or ritual?
The words and actions required for a sacramental or liturgical celebration.
One more time, Mandy.
Right or ritual. The words and actions required for a sacramental or liturgical
Celebration. So, for example, on confirmation, Emily, do you have sacred chrism?
Yeah.
Okay, tell us about the sacred chrism.
Sacred is the oil that goes in your face for confirmation.
On your forehead.
Yeah, on your forehead. A mixture of olive oil and balsam, which is added to the oil for its fragrance.
So the ritual is the bishop anoints your forehead with a cross with the sacred chrism, and he says, he says your name, be sealed with the gift of the Holy Spirit, and you say, and he says, peace be with you, and you say,
With you.
and with your spirit.
With your spirit.
Don't wipe the oil off your forehead. If it's dripping, you can go like this. That's all. Gently.
You know what I'm gonna do?
Die.
Girls,
Man.
hey,
Are you done yet? Oh, drip, drip.
go ahead.
Confirmandi. Person being confirmed.
True. What are the prayers of the faithful?
Our Father.
No, not the Our Father. The prayers of the faithful
Hail Mary.
is